Hi everyone, how are you? Today we're opening up some candles. So we have two Vellaboxes here. This is the November box. I have one I got in PR, one paid for. And then I have a candle by Birthday Candles my aunt gifted me. I wanted to show you guys. I thought this would be the perfect video to show you that as well. So this is not sponsored. Two of these items are gifted. One's paid for. Thank you for all the gifts. Thank you guys for being here. Happy Friday if you're watching this in real time. I will link Vellabox and also this company down below. And I also have a code with Vellabox to save $5 off your subscription. Vellabox is the best. Like candle subscriptions or candles in general are great gifts. So if you're looking to gift anyone, I mean the holiday season is super soon. Like I can't believe it's November still. But yeah, definitely you like check out candles if you're ever like, debating what to get someone. Everybody loves candles. They have a different scent variety you can choose from, different subscription options. There's 3 different subscription plans, so you can find one that fits your budget. And again, use that code to save $5 on whatever one you choose. Link below. I've been getting Vellabox forever. I love it so much. Did I get to? So yeah, I think that's enough of an intro. I've been opening this for so long and I know a lot of you guys know about it. So let's get started. How about we start with Vellabox? I can't remember what one's what, but it doesn't matter. I thought it'd be fun to open both. It's a little late, but I wanted to show you guys both candles and I was traveling. That's why I was late for the most part. So Vellabox, love it. And all the candles that come in this subscription are hand poured. They're from artisans across the United States, luxury scents, elevated design, eco-friendly packaging, and natural ingredients. So in all of the subscription plans, you do get a bonus item each month, which is super cool. And they're a really eco-friendly, sustainable company. I really love Vellabox. I've been supporting them for a long time. And the candles always come in these canvas bags, which is super cool. You can reuse them. And we always get something here. And it's really cool. This is pretty new. They started doing Spotify playlists. So on here it says, fall, the time when everything bursts with its last beauty, as if nature has been saving up for the grand finale. Listen and burn for the ultimate vibe. Play our Autumn Nights playlist on Spotify. So you scan this, which is really cool. Here's what the bag looks like. And I get the Vivere subscription, just for reference. Put this back a little bit. And here's our little extra. So our candles come from Soul Roots Wax Company. It says, with the intention of helping you escape from reality, Soul Roots Wax Company hopes to take you back to a special moment in time, making an emotional connection one sniff at a time. They offer a variety of 100% American-grown soy wax, clean-burning candles, and wax melts. From their heart to your nose, each candle is poured with love in small batches, free from parabens, dyes, phthalates, and Prop 65 chemicals. They are based out of Brownstown, Michigan. Ooh, awesome. I am from the Midwest originally. Love that. And there's a code here on their website, soulrootswaxco.com. You can use code Vellabox15 to save 15%. And in this one, I get the woodsy and floral. Again, there's 4 different scent families I believe you can choose from, or you can get a surprise. You get to let them know what ones you like. And look at the name of this one is Black Violet and Santal. Ah, I'm so excited. It sounds like it smells so good. Oh, and I love that this is a violet color. Small batch, soy candles creating soulful moments. I love that. This is 16 ounces. Ooh, okay, let's take a sniff. Oh my god, this smells so good. Just like what I expected when I read the name Black Violet. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to read the description. You can inhale, take a deep breath in, and imagine you are smelling this. Notes of sandalwood, leather, violet, and bergamot. This dark and mysterious scent is the perfect fit for spooky season. It would definitely be our candle of choice for your next scary movie marathon, accompanied by cozy blankets, hot apple cider, and fall treats. Oh my god, you guys. I love sandalwood and violet. If I ever have a daughter, I want to name her Violet. That was my grandma's name. But I also love the scent of them. Oh my god. Yay! And then our bonus item is by Solistic Root. Oh, they have such a similar name. Soul Roots and Solistic Roots. This is a relaxed roller, amethyst infused. It's made with grapeseed oil, frankincense, lavender, and chamomile. Oh, that sounds so lovely. They are based out of Aurora, Colorado. Oh my God, I just rolled it on my pulse points. It smells so good. You get 10 mLs. And here it says, Solistic Roots' mission is to harness the power of aromatherapy and botanicals to make non-toxic living more acceptable for everyone. Their natural bath, body, and wellness products are handmade with love and instilled with high vibrations for a better planet and an abundant life for every customer. Whether you need functional products or in addition to your self-care routine, you should feel good about the ingredients you put on your body. Non-toxic, Cosmos, and NPA certified. And their website is solisticroot.com, and there's a code Vellabox for 30% off. Awesome! This is a $15 value. That's awesome. So now let's see what the candle is in the second box. I'm curious, is this the same? Yeah, they're both the same bonus. But in this one, let's see what the candle's different. Oh, this is different. Good. So this is from the sweet and spice category. We have here Last Harvest. Oh, so cute. I like how we have similar labels with different colors. Oh my God, this smells like fall. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. So again, sweet and spice. And get ready to take a breath in and imagine you're smelling this. Notes of sweet apple, cinnamon, cedar, and smoke. The orchids let off their last harvest of sweet, perfectly ripened apples, and suddenly we are deep into the fall season. It's time for apple pies, cobblers, tarts, and a candle that will make you crave all of the above. Oh my God, it smells so good. I'm gonna move these boxes aside. So that was everything for Vellabox. Let's put these over here. And now let's get into the birthday candles. So they have a candle for literally every day of the year. I was with my aunt when I was in Chicago earlier, not this month, last month, and she bought everyone these. She's so sweet. And I was like shocked at how amazingly accurate it was. Like it was exactly the scents I love. For reference, my birthday is May 5th. So a reading and scent uniquely for you, and it incorporates tarot. If you guys don't know, I love the tarot. I read tarot. I'm actually at my tarot table right now. You can see that was like the reading of the day over there. But yeah, I have another channel, Kitty Outside the Box, if you're into tarot and spirituality. I'll link it down below. But yeah, they incorporate what your tarot card is, because every birthday has one. And I actually knew mine already, but I think this is so cool. So I think just for you, there's an information sheet on here too, and you get a large candle in here. So this is the candle for May 5th, and it says the Day of High Towers. So sign Taurus, Deacon is second in Taurus, ruling number is 5, and the ruling planet is Venus. And the strengths, it says, for my birth date are rewarded, sweet, and prescient. Weaknesses, demanding, imprudent, and stiff. The scents of my candle are cedar, sandalwood, and eucalyptus. You guys, I love these scents so much. I even have like a cologne / perfume of eucalyptus and body lotion. I just like this together is so good. Oh my God. I love it so much. It's made in the US and coconut and soy wax blend. And on the back, it gives you more information. The children of May 5th inspire and guide those around them with far-reaching but sound feedback. For May 5th, people often manifest a humanitarian desire to help the most people and feel compelled to galvanize others for change. And it goes on and on. I won't read all of it to you, but it'll seriously give a description that's really long for each birthday. If you wanted to pause it and read it, you can. I don't want to read it all for everyone because I know we don't all have the same birthday. By the way, if you're watching your birthday's May 5th, let me know. That'd be cool. Birthday twins. My tarot card is the Hierophant. The Hierophant is the 5th card in the major arcana of the tarot. The Hierophant interprets sacred mystery, representing esoteric knowledge and spiritual fulfillment, confident, intuitive. The Hierophant also warns against dogmatism and ostentation. And then it talks about my ruling planet Venus and my ruling number 5. So it gets into like astrology, tarot, and numerology. I love this stuff, and I know I'm not the only one. I think it's interesting, the Day of High Towers. I've never heard that part. Like, I've known a lot about my birth chart and birth things like tarot. I study astrology, I study tarot, and numerology I actually study on my own. So I think this is like something super cool to give someone that's into any of these things, even if there aren't. They can like learn more things and get this candle, and it's unique for them. And there's a little information thing in here too. The birthday candle inside is made to order just for you. We hope you enjoy it. And it gives you some information. Oh, here's a 10% off code if anyone wants to use it. The first person to see this probably will. I don't have an affiliate link or anything for them. I'm just going to link their website below. And you can also order a birthday book. Oh, cool. So if you want to get even more information, that's awesome. They probably include your birth chart and all this other stuff in there. 70 plus pages all about your birth chart. Oh, yeah, it says birth chart. That's so cool if they do that. So that was everything, you guys. I am so excited. Now I can burn these candles. I love them all. They're all very different, all amazing, very fall. But yeah, that's what I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I love you so much. Let me know how you are. I hope you're doing well. Please subscribe if you haven't already. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.